Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. So we are going to discuss about Liveramp holding INC and the ticker symbol is RAMP. Now this is the price chart and the long term chart is indicating a big consolidation and it's been going on for the last 2.5 decades. So this is the major resistance which we have in front of us, and the stock has been trading or moving in between a range or this particular range for a very long time. So what do we have in front of us? We primarily have these two levels representing our support and stop loss, or you may add this one as well. So these are all the levels in between which the stock is trading, where we have our very immediate support at 15.74, next big support at 9 and stop loss at 6.29. Meanwhile, we're gonna have our target or resistance at 40 and 47 or 48 moving forward. So these are the levels, or this is the overall range in between which the stock is currently trading, and that's what you need to look at. But if you are looking at the current positioning of this particular stock, which is very near to the resistance level, so if RAMP moving forward in the upcoming weeks or months or years, depending upon how much time it's going to take, surpass and sustain above 39 and 47, or let's say 48, then the next big swing will open up, but after this major breakout. So there is a potential breakout or potentially major breakout if in case it started trading and sustaining above 48. If it happens, then a big range will open up, and the levels which we are going to look at moving forward will be as follows. So this is what we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned, based on which if I'll go for an upswing, then this is what I can see, or you can see, as far as the upper end of the range is concerned moving forward. And after 47 or 48, what we're gonna look at is our next big swing, which may push this particular stock in between 300 and I would say $580 or $600 in the upcoming years moving forward. But you have to wait for the breakout to happen, and the breakout must hold. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.